Alright you guys, first up we have Matsumoto Shave Ice, which uses organic natural fruit. As you can see, they have a little stall, they're shaving the ice, and then they layer it with the fruit puree. We got half strawberry and half mango. So then they put the puree, they add more ice, and then they top it again with more puree, so you get puree in every bite. And I'm about to take the first bite. Basically I said that, oh, it tastes like real fruit, which is what you want. And then I continue to talk about the texture of the ice, which was very good. It was very fine, so it was delicious. Next up, we have Matsumoto Shave Ice, which is located in the North Shore area. As you can see, it's super crowded inside. We had to wait in line for about 20 minutes, but the line did move pretty fast. It is one of the cheaper ones. I think it's like $3 for a small. They did have a whole bunch of flavors. Oh, that's the one we got, rainbow. And then we both got our own bowl, which was probably not the best idea because as you can see, we couldn't finish it. Next up, we have Nguyenners Shave Ice. This place was one of our favorites. They had a good amount of flavors to choose from, but our favorite part was the ice because of how fine it is, and also they have the perfect size, as you can see. And the flavor of their syrups were really good, and they weren't super sweet, so it didn't make you feel like kind of sick afterwards. They also have this cute seating area outside for you to enjoy your shave ice, and this is me showing what it looks like and how fine the ice looks. And I was very excited to try it, basically. And then this is me about to try it, and this is me enjoying it and saying that it was so good. Last but not least, we're at Island Snow. And fun fact about this place, it's combined with a retail store next door, and you also get a free scoop of ice cream with every shave ice purchase. But we decided to opt out because we were trying to be good, basically. They also have a lot of flavors, and what's fun is that they basically show it to you while you're in line so you can see what colors it will create. So if you wanted to basically create a specific sort of color on your shave ice, you know how it was gonna look like. And because of that, I was able to actually match the color to my shirt, which was awesome. And I got a picture with it, did it for the gram basically. Oh, also, this is Obama's favorite shave ice place whenever he visits Hawaii. That's why his picture is everywhere. Oh, look at that face. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to keep winning at life. See you in the next video. Bye!